College of Engineering. As I am an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here my students are going to do DT-based video in the concept of multi-threading in Java programming language. Let's see the concept. What is meant by multi-threading? Before we are going to learn about multi-threading, we should know what is meant by thread. A thread is a small program. It's like a piece of program. It's called thread. More than one threads or execute concurrently or simultaneously in the same time. Okay. This is called multi-threading. If suppose we are going to execute the one big program, that is tedious to us. Okay. It will take more time and it reduce the CPU response time. Okay. So we are going to divide that big program into small pieces. Okay. That small pieces is called as thread. Okay, this process or execute concurrently in the same time. Okay, this is called multi-threading. Here, this concept we are going to explain in DT-based video. The first one is empathize. The next one is define. Another one is ideate. Next, prototype, and then testing. Okay, in this empathize concept, we are going to identify the problem from the user. Okay, we are going to empathize the find the problems from the user, to find the pain points from the user. Okay. After the empathize, we should define the problem. Okay. What is the problem? We should know what is the problem. Okay. In this space, we are going to define the problem. The next one is ideate. Okay. We are going to create a new ideas for that problem. Okay. Defining problem. The next one, in this ideate phase, we are going to create a more than one ideas. Okay. After the more than ideas created, we have to find which one is perfect for that problem. Okay. In this part, in the prototype part, we have to find out the perfect solution for that problem. Okay. After finding the problem, we should do the testing of the problem. Okay.
Hello everyone, myself is Kumar. My teammates are Shani, Mohanadilya, Sujay, and Sivaprasad. We are going to do an DT-based activity on features of Java. Our topic is multi-threading. Multi-threading is a programming technique that allows a concurrent execution of two or more threads within a single process. Shortly we call as lightweight subprocesses. Each thread runs independently but shares the most salient memory space. Java developers who developing a high-performance applications are facing difficulties in thread management in Java because it's difficult for beginners.
I am Shani. I am here to define the problem statement of multi-threading. Developer needs an easier way to create and manage multiple threads in Java application.
Today I am going to tell about ideate to generate solution ideas, wrap Java threads for running and giving a simple code structure. Provide a useful code for running a multiple threads with logging. Build a thread pool for easier use.
I am here to explain about prototype. Yes, threads in Java is a lightweight subprocess or independent part of running a certain task. It allows multiple tasks to run in a single process. Runnable interface allows the code to run on a separate. This is what from the first year. I am going to explain the program. We are creating a migrate class which extends the migrate. In every thread concept, we have to extend a thread class using another class. We are creating a new class called migrate. In the migrate class, we are using run function. Here the run function prints the statement thread is running. We used to run the function because in every thread concept we have to create the run function. And here is the main class. I am declaring a main class called main. And in the main class, I am creating an object for the migrate class. Here I am using migrate e1 equal to new migrate. Here my object name is e1, and then I am using the start function. Start function just start the thread and wait for the user response to run the thread.
Hello, I am Mohanadilya. Finally, in the test phase, we let beginner, the Java developer, try our own thread manager. They say it was most used and wanted the features like multi-threading and the time modes. And we have noticed feedback and planned implements. And finally, we make a better tool for a real-time user. So if the program is executed on the system and clear the error, and finally we got a desired output.
I am here to conclude that Java is essential because it
build up more job opportunities. Thank you.